In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Google Sheets. This is a straightforward process that helps you keep your files organized and easy to access. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease, ensuring your digital workspace remains tidy and efficient. First off, let's get started by opening a Google Sheet. This might be a sheet you're already working on, or perhaps you're creating one from scratch. Either way, make sure you have the sheet open and ready for the next steps. Once your Google Sheet is open, look towards the top of the interface until you find the Move icon. Clicking on this icon will allow you to manage where your Google Sheet is saved and organized within your Google Drive. This is a crucial step, as it sets the stage for creating your new folder. Now that you've clicked on the Move option, you should see a window pop up with your existing folders. Take a moment to navigate through the folders available to you and select the one where you'd like to create your new folder. If you know where you want this new folder to reside, just click on that location. After selecting the appropriate folder, look for the option that says Create a New Folder, or possibly just Create Folder. Click that and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new folder. This step is essential, not only for saving, but for keeping track of what's inside at a glance. So, choose a name that best represents the content you'll be storing. Next, simply type in the name you've chosen for your folder and hit Enter or click the Create button, making your new folder official. Once this folder has been created, you can decide to move your current Google Sheet into that folder by selecting it and confirming the move. This keeps your document organized and in the right place for future access. To finalize, navigate to My Drive on Google Drive to verify that your sheet is indeed in the newly created folder. You'll want to double-check that everything is in the right spot and working as expected. Go ahead and click into My Drive, then locate and click on your main folder, followed by clicking into the newly created folder to ensure that your Google Sheet is there. There you have it. You've successfully created a folder in Google Sheets and organized your document within it. This process saves time down the line and keeps your work streamlined. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay organized and productive. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.